Okay, now in this quick video, we're going to look at, oh, and by the way, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, because we make videos like this and support this channel. Okay, now we've got this question here about start-in extension calculation. So here we have our family that's built, and we looked at it in the prior video. If you didn't watch it, go back and look. Okay, so now I'm going to go into my reference, back into my project here. And now, what they mean when they starting the end extension is basically simple. If you select this, and then in our properties here, you'll see start extension, and the end is grayed out. So here we're starting at, say, 0. So let's say we change this to 300. So see what happens? That moved a foot. Now this other side is grayed out because this is 0. That's where it's going to be. You see it says 0, 0, so I can click that. Let's see, go here. Go here. But anyway, that's basically what they mean by, let me see if I go here. See, 300. Okay. Well, that probably adjusted the elevation. That's what that probably was. Let's look at this in 3D. Yeah, see, that's what I did there. Sorry. So I'm gonna just, yeah, that's end of offset. It's going to go back to 0 there. But that's all that really means. So I'll go back into this plan view. And then if I'll say, okay, now this is a good one here. We take this one and select it. And we'll have our start and end extension. So here we might say this is going to be, we can adjust these because there's nothing out there holding it back. So let's say this is 300. Okay, and then we can go with this one and say whatever. Say 100. So the whole idea with this is this. I'll show you this right quick and I'm going to let you go on this video. We're going to go structured theme and say we're going to go from here. This is not normally what we would do to there. And I'll select it. And there's my start and end extension. Now it's locked here because this is the extension, -12. Let me see, go to this section view, look at this. Yeah. So that's 0 there. But anyway, yeah, so it's really not a big deal. I've got these families here. You can borrow them. Anybody subscribe to my channel, they're free to have families and stuff that I create. But hey, thanks for watching my videos. I hope this helps. Again, please subscribe. Bye. Be safe.